Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to see how to configure Claude directly with Higgsfield MCP. So for this, first, obviously, we are going to need the Claude section. We are going to log into our account. In this case, as you can see, we are already here. After this, we are also going to need to have an account of Higgsfield AI. In this case, as you can also observe, we already have our account. Once that's done, what we'll need to do is simple. If we go to the Explore section, in this case, the MCP and CLI area already appears for me. We're going to go directly here where it says. In the navigation bar, let's go to where it says MCP and CLI, which will also be the other option. What we'll do now, we are going to have all these different artificial intelligence chats, or we also find artificial intelligence agent. It's as simple as choosing the one we want. In this case, we are directly interested in Claude, which will be this one here. What we'll do is give us the steps here. The first one will be to copy the URL of the Higgsfield connector, which in this case will be this one here. So we go over to Claude, we go to our profile section and then to the settings area. Once in settings, we go to the connectors area and click where it says add. Here we are going to click where it says add custom connector. So as you can see here, it tells us to go here. We go to the area that says customize connectors and name it Higgsfield AI here. And here in the remote MCP server URL, we will put the URL that we just saw over here, which we copied. Then we'll click to add. Once this is done, our MCP is being added. What we're going to have to do now is click where it says connect. It will send us over to Higgsfield, which will be the login section to give all the permissions. In this case, let's do it. We are going to grant the permissions. Here it tells us this will allow Claude to access all of this. We will continue. And when this is done, as you can see, it is connected. So we are going to click where it says skip and proceed through MCP in the upper section right here. So when this is done, if we head over, we see here that it says it's already have been connected to Higgsfield AI. Here we'll have everything that we'll be able to do. It will just be a matter of working with all the creativity we can.